What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're going back to working on the Eclipse today. So there's still a bunch of like little odds and ends that need to be finished up in this thing. So right now there's no sound system installed. So today I'm going to be installing the speakers into the doors. The front doors should be a lot easier to mount than the rear quarter panels. So I think I'm going to mount the front doors first. I already pulled one of those sides, the wiring in, I think it's the passenger side. But on the driver's side, I still have to run wires to the actual door because I'm going to be running an amp. So the amp's going to be in the trunk, right around here. So let's get started on installing these door speakers. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the driver's side door panel, and I'm going to have to pull a wire through to the door. So I think that's going to be the hardest part of this whole thing, other than mounting the rear speakers. So yeah. So I got both the speakers mounted into the doors. Here they are. All the wires are ran, as you've seen. But yeah, this is definitely looks a lot better than what because I originally had mounted this speaker in here with just some spacers and just looked like complete crap. So I'm glad I cut these out and just made it look a little better. So what I think I'm going to try to do right now is just try to get this amp connected up. Get a power going to it and get the speakers connected into it, at least the two fronts, and then we'll try to see if if anything works. All right, guys, so I got the amp mounted up in here. Well actually I got the amp just laying in here. But I do have it all connected up. Obviously it's pretty rough right now. So I just have it ran to my battery and then to the ground. And there's the RCAs on this side. All right, so let's go see if it's gonna work. All right, it works. That's pretty sweet. That's good to know. That means that I can put the front doors together all the way finally. And I still got to focus on getting these rear speakers in. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna have to do is just focus on getting the rear speakers in here. It's gonna be a little bit harder than the fronts, but I think I can manage it. I'm just gonna have to think of a way to get them mounted up in there. In case you guys are wondering, the speakers that I was using are some DS18 EXLs. They are 6.5 inches diameter. I went with them because it was kind of a budget speaker. It was still pretty, I think it was like $250 or something for all 4 speakers. So it's definitely cheaper than like Bema or something like that. But for me, I'm not really into competition sound. So as long as it sounds good and it gets decently loud, that's good enough for me. So I actually am really happy and impressed with the DS18s. So I have had Oxygen audio speakers and some other brands, and these are definitely up there. So all right guys, thank you so much for watching. Look forward to more videos on the DSM, as well as some videos on my Jetta and Izzy's Jetta too. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave me a comment if you think that my speakers are crap or something like that. That'd be cool with me. Yeah, so thanks guys. See